Hello, I'm gonna show you how to access to the administrator dashboard in your WordPress site. First, you have to go to the main domain of your website. For example, here we have JiraConstructionServices.com, which is the main domain of this website. To access the admin dashboard of your website, you have to add the following: /wp-admin, and you press enter. As you can see, it will show you a login section in which you have to put your credentials. Once you put your credentials, you press login. And now we accessed the administration dashboard of our WordPress site, and we are ready to manage and edit its content. Thank you.